All right, so now that we've done our hypothetical problem statement, we're going to try doing what's called a hypothetical solution statement. And yes, it's about as simple as it sounds. The idea here is to learn how you can apply your findings to a business's need. So, what we're going to do is take some photos of your affinity diagram as it is and then go ahead and remove the grouping labels. And I want you to rearrange the findings from your affinity diagram into the 10 types of innovation categories that we spoke about earlier. And I'll go over them again, and we're going to label them. Okay, so it should look something like this. So the 10 types of innovation, we're going to look at profit model, how we make money, the network, how we connect with others, structure, how to organize and align it, what process, how to use signature superior methods to do your work, product performance, how to develop distinguishing features and functionality, your product system, how to create complementary products and services. Again, your service, how to support and amplify the value of what you're offering them. The channel, how you deliver your offerings to customers and users, and then your brand, how you represent those offerings to the business, and your customer engagement, how you foster compelling interactions. Now, what I would like it to look like is something along these lines. So we're going to have your sticky notes with your categories up top, and we're going to reassess the findings from your group, and you're going to reorder them so to put them in a category that they would fit in properly. Now, what I want you guys to know is that not every finding is going to have a category to go in on occasion, and not every category is going to be filled by one of your findings. That is not a problem. It's okay. Just do the best you can with the observations you had. I would also like to say, do you guys remember this? Our problem statement that we created, people who use blank are trying to do blank, and it seems like blank, they were having trouble with, or it would be better if, or they might use it more if. So in our solution statement, once we've reorganized our findings into those product-based categories, we are going to then create what we call a solution statement for the business. So using the Waze example again, we would do something along the lines of, we think Waze has an opportunity to improve its profit model and its customer engagement. So those are two categories. And then we get detailed. We write, we think this because its users need to find parking once they've finished driving. So, and by providing an ability to do that, it would afford Waze the opportunity to make more money and engage more customers. So do you see what we're doing here is what we're doing is we're taking our findings and applying them in as many ways as we possibly can in relation to all aspects of how we develop a product. Remember what we went over in design thinking intro, the Venn diagram of, what the tech is capable of delivering, what the user's needs are, and what the business is providing. This is one of the ways that we improve on each of those points with the same findings from one study. All right, let's get to it.